So Google Analytics allows you to track your campaign performance, see how users behave when they get on your website, but also to get data that helps you to improve your overarching marketing strategy. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the latest version of Google Analytics, which is called GA4, on your WordPress website. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once on your WordPress dashboard, you want to navigate to plugins and then click on add new. Now we're going to look for the plugin that we're going to use in order to add Google Analytics to our WordPress website. So the plugin that we're going to use is called GA Google Analytics by Jeff Star. Let's add it, and this is a very lightweight plugin. So let's go ahead and install it. Then we can activate it, and there we have it. So now the plugin has been added to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so to open the plugin, we just need to go to settings, and then we can see that our plugin is right here, Google Analytics. So we're going to click on Google Analytics, and here it is, GA Google Analytics. Okay, so now what we need to do is just to click on plugin setting, and here, as you can see, we have some information required. So we have GA tracking ID, and then if you scroll down a little bit more, you will see custom tracker, the custom GA code. So to get this information, we need to go to Google Analytics. So to go to Google Analytics, you just need to type in your browser analytics.google.com. If this is the first time that you are using Google Analytics, then this is what you will see. Welcome to Google Analytics. Then it will prompt you to start measuring. If it's not, then you just need to log into your Google Analytics account and get Google Analytics. So let's start measuring, because this is a new account that you are creating. So here we're going to add our account name. We're just going to add Yekola Digital. Then down here you have the account data sharing settings. So you want to go ahead and read through to find out what they are all about. So after that, we're just going to click on next. So now we're going to do our property setup. So here, create a Google Analytics for property to measure your web and or app data. So property name here. So I'm just going to put Yekola Digital website, because we are going to measure the data from our website. And then here, reporting time zone, so we are in the UK, so I'm going to select United Kingdom, and then so we're going to add our currency, British pound, because we are once again in the United Kingdom, but you have to use what is relevant to where you are and your currency. So after adding our information, we're going to go and click on next. Business information, help us tailor your experience by answering the following questions. So your industry category, you're going to just click here to select which category best describes your business. So for us, we're going to click on business and industrial, and then you select your business size here. So you have small, medium, large, or very large. We're going to select small, and then down here, basically, how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? So you check everything that applies to the way that you're going to use this data for. So measure customer engagement with my site or app, optimize my site or app experience, definitely. Measure data across multiple devices or platforms, yes. Optimize my advertising cost as well. Increase my conversions. Measure content monetization, no. Analyze my online sales. Measure app installs and measure lead generation. So we're going to select these and then click on create. As soon as you click on create, you're going to have this pop-up here. Basically, these are the terms of services of using the Google Analytics data, and as you can see here, depending on where you are, the terms of services will be different. So we are in the UK, so I'm going to select United Kingdom to get data which is relevant to our location. But you, wherever you are, you can select your location here, and then once you have finished reading the terms and conditions, you can go ahead and accept the terms and conditions. And because here I also accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR, so yes, we accept, and I click on I accept. So here, basically, if you want to receive emails from Google regarding performance suggestions and updates, feature announcements, feedback and testing, offers from Google, so you click whatever you feel that will be useful to you, or you can just save and not click on any of those. And here we are. So you have created your account. account. As soon as you create your account, Google is going to prompt you to create a data stream. So basically, data stream is the platform where the data is going to come from, whether it's an app or a website. For us, it's a website, so we just click on web, and here you'll have this pop-up to set up your data stream. So what you want to do is to add your URL right here. So here you can see that Google is giving us the option to choose whether our website is secure or not secure. So ours is secure, so we're just going to leave this and then add the URL. And then after adding our URL, now we want to give a name to our stream. So here we are going to call it Yekola Digital website again. So then we're going to leave this, and then we can create our stream. Then you will see this message here: data collection isn't active for your website. If you installed tags more than 48 hours, make sure they are set up correctly. So for us, Google is not getting any data because we haven't set up the tag yet. So this is what we need to do now. So here you can see your data stream details, and you can go ahead and edit it if there's anything which is wrong. If you want to change the name, whatever, that's something that you can do. You can click on this here and go to modify that. Okay, so once you're happy with your stream details, you can go ahead and copy your measurement ID. And now we're going to head back to our WordPress dashboard. So here we are. We're going to paste our tracking ID here under GA tracking ID. Okay, so when you get here, you will see that Universal Analytics will be selected by default, but Universal Analytics won't work from next year, 2023. This is not something that we want to use because Google is now pushing GA4. And like I said, from next year, Universal Analytics won't work anymore. So we want to go for global site tag. Now let's head back to Google Analytics to get our global site tag. So now what you want to do is to scroll down and go to tagging instructions, and here you can see global site tag. So you just need to click on the drop down, and here is our tag. This is the code that we want to put into our plugin. So let's go ahead and copy it. You can just click here, and then we are heading back to our Google Analytics dashboard again. Once you get in your GA Google Analytics plugin, you want to put the code in custom tracker object. So right here, we're going to paste our code here, and here just make sure, just double check that you have all your global site tag code in here, and also make sure that you have selected include tracking code in page head.
Now you just need to save, and that's it. You've just added GA4 to your website.
At Yekola Digital, we help small businesses like yours thrive online through intelligent digital marketing strategies. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more marketing tools, tips, and recommendations.